Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will show you how to configure and by the end of the video deploy a crypto trading bot on the Quadency platform utilizing their MACD strategy, and they just updated it to version 3.1. Now, if you're not familiar with Quadency, they are an all-in-one crypto trading platform that actually allows you to connect all of your exchanges to the platform and manage those exchanges through API keys. So you don't actually send your money to Quadency. You're connecting your exchange accounts to the platform via API keys. And from there, you could actually use their trading terminal and trade via those API keys without jumping back and forth to the different exchanges. But in today's video, we'll be focusing on one of their crypto trading bots. Now, if you're wondering what type of investment is required to get started, we'll jump over to pricing, and you can actually get started for free. And the bot that I'm deploying today, the MACD, can actually be deployed on this free plan. However, with that being said, I can show you how to get the pro plan for free as well. And as you can see, they have free for qualifying users. I will leave a link in the description down below. And if you follow that link and connect one of the qualifying exchanges to the platform, you can actually get the pro plan for free. And those qualifying exchanges include Binance, OKX, and KuCoin, and KuCoin will be the exchange I'll actually be deploying the bot on today. And all you need to do is connect your current account to the Quadency platform and you'll get 3 months free. Now, if you don't have a KuCoin account and you click on the open button, you'll end up getting 6 months free of the pro plan. Same with Binance. You could connect your existing account and get 3 months free, or open a new Binance account and get 6 months free of the Quadency Pro plan. So again, I'll leave that link down in the description below. Now, that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to configuring this bot. So after you sign up and connect your exchange, you would just go to the Bots tab. Across the top here, you see the different options. Click on Bots tab, and that will bring you to the bots that they actually offer. And you can see they have some simple bots. And today's bot is the MACD version 3.1. That's the bot we'll be deploying. And then they have some more advanced bots, including a grid bot, a market maker. You could also send alerts from TradingView to execute buy or sell triggers. But these advanced bots do require that pro plan I just showed you how to get for free. Now, let's go ahead and select the MACD bot. So we just click on select, and that will bring up the parameters that you need to configure for this MACD bot. Now, the MACD bot, the way it actually works is the strategy is based on the MACD indicator. It buys when the MACD line crosses above the signal line and sells when the defined exit condition is met. And so if I jump over to TradingView and take a look at a chart, the MACD indicator, what we're looking at is the blue line would be your MACD line and the orange line would be the signal line. So when the blue line crosses up, that would indicate a buy. And the way I'll configure the sell side today will be when the MACD crosses down through the signal line, that would be my sell sign. And if we compare it on the actual chart of Luna, we can see right down here, we get the cross on this particular candle. And so we would get an entry, ride it up until it crossed over in this region and sell for a profit. Same thing over on this cross down here on the MACD, the blue line crossing above the signal line. We would get in somewhere around here and get out somewhere right about here. So again, another profit. And that is a general idea of how this bot will be operating. So we'll jump back over, and the configuration name is going to be MACDX. You've got to name it. You can name it whatever you please. I just named it MACDX for crossing. The exchange, you can choose from the list of exchanges that you connect. Again, today I'm using KuCoin. My API account I connected, I named KuCoin version 2. The pair that I'll be trading, I can type anything in here I wanted to. I could do ADA, I could do ETH, but I'm actually going to trade Luna on this particular bot today. And then the starting capital, I need to give my bot some ammo, so I'm going to give it 500 USDT. Scroll down for the rest of the parameters. And then my strategy settings, I need to select the time frame. I've selected the 1 hour candles. The MACD slow period, I've selected as 18. The MACD fast period, I've selected as 9. And then the MACD signal period, I have selected as 3. Now, I have two options in order to take profit. One option is I could configure a profit target and a stop loss. That would be these two options here. Or the other option would be the indicator confirmation. And that is kind of the difference on this version of their MACD. In the past, it was either just the indicator confirmation, then they changed the bot to, I think, version 3, when it was just the take profit and stop loss. And there's a lot of folks like myself that would rather use the indicator confirmation. So they came out with this version 3.1 and they've added both options. And in this case today, I'll be using the indicator confirmation. And that's it. It's a really simple setup. So now we want to back test it. So I scroll back up, click on back test. We'll give it a back test for 1 month. And click Start Backtest. And the backtest results came in, and it looks like this bot over a 1 month period would return 65% in profit. Now, it's extremely important to remember backtest results do not guarantee future results, so you got to take them with a grain of salt. And when the results are positive, at least the probabilities are more on your side. And we can see that the total number of trades the bot would have had in 1 month would have been 96 trades, so it's pretty active. And if I scroll down, we can see on the actual chart, the little green arrows would be your buys and the red arrows would be your sells. Let's see if I can zoom into an area on the chart. And we have a little green arrow down here. I'm not sure if you can see it. And so that would have been where the bot entered. And then you get a red arrow up here, and that would be where the bot actually exited. And obviously from this point down here on the chart to this point up here, you would be in the profit on that one particular trade. So the results of the backtest were positive. Click back over to the parameters page. All of our parameters are set, and we are ready to deploy this bot. So now I just need to click Start Live. And it wants to confirm the account that I'm going to be using. Start live mode. The bot is starting up. And that's pretty much it. It's extremely simple to configure and deploy. I will be doing an update video in the very near future on the profit or loss on this particular bot. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I will leave a link to Quadency in the description down below. And remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.